So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Just take only what resonates and feel free to switch roles, of course, because this is general reading. And thank you so much because you're here once again. And hi sa aking mga new viewers. Okay. But definitely, I don't like the vibe inside the room. Parang feeling ko may mga maha-high blood. Maghanda ka na ng tubig sa tabi mo, mga mahal, no? Or i-ready mo na ang iyong pang-BP. You know? I don't know, but just by sensing this, it makes me angry. Yeah, angry. Parang yung energy ng gusto kong mambato. Sadist. Yeah, definitely, no? Ibig sabihin yun yung energy tatapakan ninyo. Let's see why. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Bottom of the deck, Knight of Coins in reverse. Mm-hmm. Nine of Wands and the Four of Cups in reverse. Okay. So whoever is this energy here, no, na lumalabas sa inyong reading, I do see that you're dealing here with someone, no, na sasabihin niya sa'yo, kay lahat ng lalabas sa kanyang labi, no, ay ang mga salita na gusto mong marinig. Yung mga salita na alam niyang hinihintay mo na sabihin niya sa'yo, no? But don't be fooled by this person here. Look at that. See? Whoever this energy is, no, I just heard narcissist. This person here is someone who's toxic, narcissistic. Okay, this person here could be love bomber, gaslighter, someone who only wants to gain control over you, the emperor. Okay, but don't get fooled. Okay, sweetheart. Okay, this is definitely here someone na gusto lang rito, no? Na may matangay sa'yo, makinabang or gamitin ka dito. Okay. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayo na other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So if interesado, click lamang po yung link dyan para mapunta kayo doon. At araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga natin gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po ay welcome. Just take only what resonates and feel free, no, na i-switch yung roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit na general reading ito. And timeless ito. So, pwedeng nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, sa iba hindi pa at mangyayari pa lang na. But definitely, this person here knows your weakness. Why? Eh, siya lang naman rito, no? Yung sumakabilang bakod. Sumakbilang bahay at nagbigay ng walang hanggang pasanin sa'yo at ito at gustong magbalik with the Ten of Wands in reverse. Yung energy ng gustong magbalik, okay? Pero para pasakitan na naman kayo, no? So, I do pick up that whoever this energy is, gusto niya lang magkaroon ng control over your life because it looks like you are someone here, no, na nag-change yung iyong destiny. So, pwedeng from wala magkakaroon na rito ng pagbabago sa iyong pinansyal, sa iyo ritong area ng life, no? Because nakakita ko dito, you could be seeing a lot of number 333 or angel number 333, no? Just take how this resonates, but definitely balance is about to happen in your destiny, especially when it comes to your life as a whole. Okay, ibig sabihin nun, gumaganda yung takbo ng kaperahan mo, umaayos yung buhay mo unti-unti, and it looks like this person here knows that. Maybe this person here is someone who's spying on you. Maybe this person here, eh, is someone na alam lang talaga rito, 'no, yung kahinaan ninyo, 'no, at alam niya rito, 'no, na minsan niyo talaga siya ritong minahal ng sobra. Kaya ito yung gagamitin niya with the Seven of Swords energy right in here, Two of Cups in reverse, 'no, ay ang mga salita, 'no, mga tricky. Swords ay words, swords ay communications, 'no, para subukan na paikutin kayo ulit. So, this person thinks that you're gullible, uto-uto, 'no, dagukan ko kaya 'to. Parang ako yung unang mawawalan ng pasensya sa tao na ito, naiigo, 'no? Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, nakikita ko dito mga babes that this person here is someone who just want to drag you into his or her messy life. Look at this, pasintabi 'no, look at this inidoro, ayan. And look at the toothbrushes, 'no? Ikaw maglilinis ng inidoro gamit ang toothbrush, 'no? Gaano ka kaya katagal gugugol ng oras, 'no, para matapos mo 'yan, 'no? Definitely, you will be stuck into this person's messy life, na marami siya ritong kinasasangkutan ng mga issues, concerns, and even gulo, 'no, sa kanyang life, 'no? At gusto niya rito na ikaw yung umayos nun for him or her. Wow! Ikaw yung gusto niya rito 'no, na gumawa ng solutions or mag-isip dito ng paraan para makatakas at makaalis siya diyan 'no. So, nakakaubos talaga ng pasensya itong narcissist na ito. Okay, this person here could have vices or bisyo. Puwedeng sigarilyo, puwedeng pag-iinom, puwede rin 'no, that there's something here too much. Puwede rin 'no, na marami siya rito kumain ng, rice, like extra rice 'no, and puwede rin na siya ay, todo-todo uminom ng coffee or liquors, you know, something to do with excessive drinking. Okay, alam naman natin too much drinking of coffee ay hindi rin naman talaga maganda, 'yan 'no. Sinasabi mong bamisin 'yun sa sarili mo, sinasabi ko, pero hindi ko talaga kaya. Iwasan yung kape, hindi ko kayang mabuhay ng wala yung kape mga babes 'no. Okay, so nakikita natin dito that whoever this energy is, I do see that this person here 'no, will try to steer your emotions. Babalik siya kasi may kailangan siya, 'yan 'no, may tatangayin lang siya sa'yo, 'yan 'no. Puwedeng money, this person here will ask you money 'no. This person here 'no, possibly 'no, na magpapabili ng jewelry or baka mawalan ka na lang, bigla ka na lang diyan nawalan 'no, ng pera 'no, isipin niyo nalooban yung bahay ninyo 'no, pero yung magnanakaw nasa loob lang pala ng bahay. Magulat kayo 'no, parang may nawawala rito sa loob ng kusina, parang asan yung ref, 'yan 'no, 'di ba? Pati ref na ba 'yan tinangay? So, nakita natin dito that this person here, alam mo kung ba't ko ginamit yung ref as an example, okay? It is because this person here will definitely, okay, create a fuss, and not just that 'no, this person here will take something huge, something big na naman sa life mo. Alam niya kasing minahal mo siya, eh, susubukan niya rito 'no, na ilabas yung emosyon mo. Okay, so parang dito actually naiinis ako dito kasi bukod sa iniisip niyang utu-uto kayo 'no, iniisip niya dito mga babes 'no, na kayo ay hanggang ngayon baliw pa rin sa kanya or handa pa ring magpakasyunga sa kanya. Yeah, I know 'no, medyo tumaas yung kilay ng iba sa inyo, iba naman sa inyo na parang gustong manghampas. Nung narinig yun, pero yun talaga yung iniisip niya rito 'no. But definitely this person here, okay, is someone 'no, na yun nga gagamitin niya rito yung love, gagamitin niya rito yung emotions and feelings. This person here is someone na magaling magpanggap. This person here is someone 'no, na hindi naman aktor or actress 'no, pero puwede nating bigyan ng award 'no, kasi ang galing umacting. Bravo. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to na nakita natin dito that this person here is someone who just wants to gain control over you because of the resources that you have, because of money, because of fame. Maybe this person here just wants to connect to you because you're more beautiful now, because you're prettier, or because you're more handsome now, because you're more attractive now. Yeah, I just heard, okay, your body is wonderland. So definitely this person here just wants your body. After your body, this person here is here for some kind of bed scene sa'yo, guys, no? And yeah, please do not allow this person here, no, to take everything from you. Again, this person here, this narcissist, will definitely come back. This devil, this demonio right here is definitely trying to come back, no? And this person here, naku, hindi ko alam kung saan ba siya nag-audition. Sa Sparkle ba or sa Star Magic? Dahil ang galing niya umacting, no? Dito nakikita ko magmamakaawa siya dito. Like yung talagang gusto mong marinig, no? Like, babe, nagkamali ako. Patawarin mo ko. Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay ka. Hindi na nga ako nakakain ng maayos nung wala ka. Yan, no? Pinagsisisihan ko lahat-lahat ng la, utot niya. This person here, yun yung mga pwede niyang sabihin sa'yo, yun yung mga pwede niyang gamitin sa'yo. This person here will definitely use love, no? Alam mo, ang ayoko sa lahat, no, yung ginagamit yung love because love or mahal is a very sacred word. Okay? Sinasabi lang yun kapag ka talagang tunay yung nararamdaman, hindi yung dahil sinabi mo lang kasi may kailangan ka. Okay? Iba yun, di ba? Iba yung kailangan mo ko kasi mahal mo ko o mahal mo ko kasi kailangan mo ako. I think nandun siya, 'no? Mahal ka lang niya kasi kailangan ka niya, 'no? Kailangan ka niya 'no, para linisin lahat ng mga hindi ka nais-nais sa buhay niya. Definitely Knight of Coins energy in reverse is signaling us na itong tao na 'to ay nawala ng matagal pero bumabalik nawala ng matagal pero babalik pala. Bumalik nga, pero hindi naman siya sincere because it's in reverse. Okay? Spirits are saying, spirits are giving you advice, honey, sweetheart, mahal ko. Okay? I say those words yung mahal ko because I mean it, no? Because even though hindi ko alam yung pangalan niyo, each and every one of you personally, no, I love you and I appreciate that you're here. Yeah. Sweet ko, no? So the spirits advise sa inyo, Nine of Wands and the Four of Cups in reverse, okay? Do not let your guards down, okay? Mas taasan mo pa at mas tatagan mo pa ang blockage dito, no, sa pagitan mo at ng taong ito because what you're seeing is definitely an illusion, okay? So, nakikita ko dito na dapat mong i-reject ito, no? Dahil itong offer na to ay hindi worth it na tanggapin. Okay? It's not that big. It's not that big, no? It could be smaller than the smallest cup or glass. Okay? So, you will receive an empty talaga, no? Na na love from this person. Okay? It's all fake, honey. It's all fake. Okay? There's nothing in here. There's no love. There's no affection. This person here is a user. This person here is a narcissist. This person here is a love bomber, gaslighter who just wants to use you, use your resources, use your body, use you. Okay? This person here wants to have it all with you and don't let this person here to do that to you because this person here will soon leave you pag nagsawa na siya. Na naman. Alright? So, for the initials right in here ng itong mokong na to, so for the initials we have here D, N, L, P, P, K, F, J, E, I, A. And last but not the least, you've got the letter why? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Again, I'm Yana. On me for the girls, and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang love and light.